Good morning, students. Today we will continue the reading of chapter 1. Little children are wiser than men. Up to now we have read that Malasha and Akulya were two friends and they were very happy because it was Easter in Russia and they put on new clothes and suddenly Malasha plumped down her foot so hard into the puddle of dirty water that the water splashed onto Akulya's frock. And Akulya's frock got dirty, and when Akulya's mother saw her daughter's dirty frock, she started scolding the child. But Akulya told her that she was not responsible for this, it was done by Malasha. And Akulya's mother started beating Malasha. She punished Malasha, and now we will see. And Malasha began to howl, means cry. So now we will proceed our reading. Malasha's mother came out to see what was wrong. When Malasha's mother heard her daughters crying, she came out of the house to see what was the wrong with the child. And she asked, "Why are you beating my girl for?" She asked Akulya's mother why she was beating Malasha. "You better ask your daughter." Akulya's mother replied that you could ask your daughter what she did, and the two women began to quarrel and they started fighting, Malasha's mother and Akulya's mother. Soon a crowd collected in the street, and when they started fighting, a group of people, which is known as a crowd, collected in the street. Everyone started shouting, no one was listening. And when they were shouting at each other, so everyone started shouting, no one was listening to each other. In the meantime, another lady came and she started talking to both the mothers, Malasha's and Akulya's mother. "What are you doing?" And she stopped them. And who that lady was? Akulya's grandmother. So when she heard the shouting of both the ladies, she came out and tried to pacify both the mothers. Pacify means to make peaceful, to calm down the situation, or to make the situation very peaceful. She tried to calm down both the mothers, that whatever the way they are fighting, it was not appropriate. It was not good. So what are you doing? Is it the right to behave so on a day like this? And she suggested both the ladies not to behave in that manner because it was an auspicious day. It was a day of festival. Easter is the time for rejoicing, not for such folly as this. And she scolded, or she suggested both the ladies not to fight, not to start a quarrel on such an auspicious day of Easter, because it is a day of joy and bliss. It is a day of joy and bliss, not such folly. Folly means a foolish act. It is not a day of foolish act of fighting with one another. It is a day of celebrating the festival with one another. When the mothers were fighting, meanwhile Akulya quietly went back to the puddle. She quietly went back to the puddle. She took a chip of wood. Chip means a small piece of wood, or it could be a glass also, but here it is a piece of wood, and began to dig away the earth in front of the puddle. And they started digging the earth. As you can see in the picture, both the girls are having chips of wood in their hand, and they started digging away the earth in front of the puddle. This created a channel through which the water could run into the street, and they made a channel through which the water could run into the street. Soon both friends were busy digging the channel with chips of the wood. And both the girls, they forgot their fight. They forgot that Malasha spoiled Akulya's dress, and they started digging the earth with a chip of wood. The water from the puddle, when they made a channel, when they made a way for the water to run through, the water from the puddle ran streaming into the street, and the water started flowing into the street. Malasha threw the chip of wood into the stream. So Malasha, she was a naughty girl. She dropped her chip of wood into the stream of water, and it started floating on the water and flowing into the water. The little girls watched the chip floating along into their little stream. Stream can be called as a small river. So it was not a small river, but it was treated like a stream. They clapped when they saw the chip of the water floating into the water, and they clapped. They became very happy and cheered with joy. And Akulya started saying, "Catch Malasha, catch." The way you float your paper boats into the stream of water, the similar way the chip of wood was flowing into the water, and the girls were very, very happy. They ran laughing along the stream and forgot their quarrel. And soon the girls forgot that they had a fight just few minutes before. And after then, Akulya's grandmother said, You are fighting on account of these little girls. Look at them. They themselves have forgotten all about it." And she inspired both the mothers, Akulya's and Malasha's mother, that you were fighting because of these little girls, and now look at them. They have themselves forgotten all about it. They forgot about their quarrel, and you could see they started playing again with each other. The mothers looked at the girls and felt ashamed. The mothers, they saw their girls were very cheerful, and they were playing together, and they were very happy, and they felt ashamed. Ashamed means felt shameful. They felt ashamed of their behavior or of their conduct. Everyone agreed little children are indeed wiser than adults. So everyone agreed to the statement that children are wiser. Wiser means intelligent than adults. Adults means grown-up human beings. Okay. Indeed means really. Really sometimes children teach us a lesson which the adults cannot do in their life. When there is a fight between adults, it takes a lot of time to let it go. But children are not like adults. They forget their fights, and they befriended with each other very easily, very quickly. So this is the end of the chapter 1. Now we will be